Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. All right, guys, so I got a few minutes. I wanted to pop on real quick to experiment with the new gel press plate. This is actually my second time opening it up, so you guys will see me make a mess and experiment with it. So let's start off with the gel plate. So this is that beautiful thing. I'm going to get this mess out the way. That I have seen in so many videos. Now what I'm thinking is that I may need to flip this over. Nope, I gotta leave it on a flat surface. Alright, and if you're wondering, this is the packaging that it came in. And let me bring this down just a bit so you guys can see what we're doing here. I don't have it all lit up today, but no light, no extra lights on. It's just light coming in from the side window. So I think I got this off of Amazon, and I purchased this from them as well. I can't remember if it was Walmart or Amazon, but hi Josh, I'm working on that. I've pulled out the gel press. You want to see what I'm doing? Yeah. Okay, so I've got our handy dandy assistant slash mail courier here to please don't tear up my jelly plate, Joshy. Yeah, so I think, is that here? Okay, no it's not. Alright, so without further ado, let's just get started. So I purchased this paint from Hobby Lobby a few weeks ago, and it's acrylic paint, and I think, you know, from what I've seen in a few videos between channels like Artie Mays, Stephanie Garrett Creations, that's another channel that I watch. I love her channel. She does quite a bit of mixed media, as well as jewelry making, which I create jewelry, not to the level and design work that she puts into it, but I do quite a bit of memorial jewelry, and most of it is just custom orders. So I don't really advertise it or do any of that on the channel. I think I have a few times, but not very often. Anyways, so she does that, but she also has some amazing hauls. So if you're interested in her channel, check that out. And everybody knows who Artie Mays is. All right, let me make sure this is in the... So this is just a silicone mat that I have to catch any of the extra paint. You know, I think you got to roll off. So, and I'm left-handed, so I don't even know why I did it on that side. Huh. Maybe I need to switch that off. What do you think, Josh? Think I should switch it?
Which one?
So should I switch this over to this side? Because I'm left-handed? I think so. I see, these are the things that you take for granted when you watch, and you can still play. You take for granted when you're watching folks create, that they are right-handed and you are not. Because I'm a lefty. And by the way, this is a burn mark that y'all have seen in the other videos. I've had a band-aid on that. My hands have been going through it between eczema, a few burns, some cuts. But I did manage to put some top coat polish on my nails, if that matters any. Anyways, I'm just going to turn on this extra little bit of light. All right, so let's get started, Josh. Now, what I did take out, because we're just going to be real quick, just some experimenting, and as I progress, I'll be on the channel. I just have this gesso cardstock, well, mailer, some printout, some printers. You know when you clean your printer, how it gives you a sample sheet? This is that. Some tea and coffee stained paper. Oh. And just some mail. I just figured with the print in the background, that might be something interesting. So we'll start with that, and then we'll see what we get. I am so excited. Are y'all excited for me? Drop in the comments if y'all excited to see what we got going on here. Don't be mad if when I get done, we have like a mountain of paint, and it looks like a 2-year-old came in here and had artwork with mom. We just experimenting, people. I'm not Picasso. We're not doing that today. That's for next week. So stay tuned for next week when I be, compete with Michelangelo and Picasso and the likes. Okay, so we have, these are the metallic,
Hopeful.
You're right, hopefully, prayerfully, right? This one is more like a, you think that they would have the names on it. Do they have the names on it? Okay, so we have, we have metallic silver. We have metallic copper. We have metallic bronze. And we have metallic gold. And then I also have black and white and off-white. This is antique white, just for some contrast colors. Sir, you're not tearing it up already, are you?
No.
Okay, great. And, I need to check and figure out how to clean this off. I don't even know if I need something special to... That is a piece of hair, is it?
No.
Yeah, that is my hair.
Oh.
It is. Good Lord. It just get everywhere, don't it?
Yeah.
All right, so let's start with a little bit... Oh, of course they would have these on here. Baby, can you take those off of there for me?
Take what?
Take these little tops off of here. Oh. Let's start with... Oh, that looks like it's a little too much. The metallic copper. Then we'll do... Hope this isn't too wet. Antique white. Yeah, antique white. And then we'll do... That is wet. Then we'll do a little bit of black. And let's see what we get. You want to see what we get, Josh? Are you excited to see what Mommy come up with? How exciting! Okay, so let me get the roller.
Oh gosh.
Am I in frame here? Yeah, I think so. I think I would be paying attention to what I'm doing.
Ooh, that looks cool.
It does. So let's see what it looks like when we bring it up.
Oh gosh, this one's filled.
Is it? Okay, don't squeeze too much. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off of here, and we're gonna roll it off over here, and we're gonna use this. Well, it's not a whole lot coming up off there.
Gold.
Okay, let's see what it looks like. Oh, I need to roll that to the edge, right? I'm thinking I need more of this one. Somebody in the comments gonna say, I'm sure, girl, you already got too much paint. You should work with what you got. Okay, all right.
This looks like a perfect square right there. The Microsoft logo.
It does. You're so observant. You're definitely Mommy's child. Okay. I don't think I needed to be that perfect, but whatever. All right. So let's see what we get, folks. There's a few more channels, and when I come back, the next, in the comments or in the description box below, there is a couple more channels that do a lot of jelly printing that I watch, and I will place them below so that y'all can see what the real, the professionals, the true artists, how they do it, because I, by no stretch of the imagination, know what I'm doing today. Okay? But it sure seems fun. Ooh.
It just slides up.
Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Who would have thought it would? I want more light color in
I didn't even know the jelly press would just be basically clear.
I know it. Okay, so this is what I think I want to do. I want to go with, how do I get it so that I need to have white on top. So let's go with a little bit of black.
What about gold?
That's a good idea. And then we'll go with gold. Okay, put the top.
That isn't gold. This is gold.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. Let me put the top on the silver for me. I'll have it. Josh, you have a great eye. So I'm going to roll this out. And then I'm going to put the white on top of it. That was cute. That was real fancy. See, the pros probably wouldn't even did that. That's me. Clearly not knowing what I'm doing. Is it me? Or does this paint, something in here smells like Christmas? Oh, look at that.
I didn't know Christmas had a smell.
Ooh, look at that, Josh.
Ooh.
I think I'm going to leave that the way that it is. And
It looks like fall, kind of. If you didn't have the black there, it looked like fall.
so can you see off to the side? Let me go ahead and put that down there. I'm going to catch that there. Okay.
Ooh.
This is a mop-up page. So we're just going to mop up all of this extra goodness. And we'll come back with more. Well, I'll get this little piece of black right there as well. Okay. Hold on. Let's do the one with print on it. This should be interesting. This is the newsletter that comes. Ooh, did I show y'all my address? Let me black that out so y'all don't show up at my door and James don't have to go off on y'all. Now I think at some point that maybe they let the paint dry some. I'm not sure. I don't know. But we shall see. Let me hold that roller. Let me try this one.
You just edit the first part when it showed your address.
That's right, baby. That's what we'll do.
Looks like it's already dry.
All right. We shall see what we have. And I'm probably going to use these first prints for collages. And I think I'm going to need to get like red and dark teal because those are my favorite colors. And incorporate that into my acrylic paint supply. All right, boys and girls, let's see what we got here. Ooh. So fancy. Look at the back. Look at the words in the background. Can y'all see? Let me.
You can't even see the words. You can just barely
There we
see
go.
it.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, Josh, do you want to make your own print?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to let you. And you can use the white paper because it's boring. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so here you go. You want to choose 3 colors. Oh, that's good. Okay.
Where's it? Oh.
So you got silver. 1 here, 1 there. You want like 3. Put some more in there. You need a couple more when it rolls
That's
out.
effective.
Right there. Not that I know what I'm doing. I'm just advising. That's what moms do. Ooh, nice colors. Over here. There you go.
Oh.
Okay, it's okay. You'll bring it up. You'll bring it over here. Okay, I'll take that and you go ahead and roll. Now I think when you roll, you want to and bring it up. Bring it up.
Ooh.
Oh. Okay, now stop. Because it's wet. Okay. You need some up at the top. So when you roll it, bring it back to the top. Okay. Nope. Yeah, that's fine. It doesn't matter. Go all the way up to the top. Go all the way up to the top. Okay, that's good. Now let's get your paper.
Oh, it's nice.
You want to go ahead and lay that down. And I'm going to pick that on up. Here you go. Here you go. Here's your paper. Press it down. Well, you got to put it down. Grab each side. Make sure it's over it equally. Drop it. And then spread it.
Oh.
Go ahead and spread it and leave it there for a few seconds. Make sure that all of the paint gets on there. Go ahead.
That feels nice.
Doesn't it? Rub it. Okay, so now it's time to check out our masterpiece. You ready?
Ooh.
Ooh, I love yours. Josh, yours is amazing.
Ooh.
You see Josh's, guys? All right, and so I'm going to move this stuff out the way in just a second. We're going to line up our... Oh, I got one more. Wait, let's see. Let's get this extra up off of here. Do it. Hold on. Let me roll that out.
That one looks like kisses or whatever.
Alright, now for the last piece de resistance. Help me rub it on out, Josh. Smooth. Smooth. Alright. I think we did it, Josh. We have completed our masterpieces. And I'm thinking that if Michelangelo... Go ahead. Lift it right on up. Michelangelo and Picasso were here, they would be very upset that they didn't have these jelly plates. Okay, I like that. That's a real. All right, so I'm gonna move these out of the way, and so that we can compare. Well, not compare. Well, we can look at all that we've created in these few minutes. Oh. That'll have to get cleaned up in a little bit. Okay, so we have the very first one. You get a little bit more lighting in here, because y'all need to see the masterpieces for what they are. All right, so here's the very first one.
Ew.
The second. We have Josh's. Josh's beautiful jelly print. This looks like something that came out of like a jewelry place, you know, like a jewelry background, jewelry store. Some artwork they had on the walls. And then the last one, which is probably be a great background print. Here we have that.
That actually looks like something I would eat in a hotel.
There you go. You're right, Josh. You have a good eye. You have a really good eye. I keep telling you, you definitely are your mama's child. All right. So, all right, let us know which one you love the most. Number one, number two, number one, number two, number three, or number four. That one really don't count, or number four. We all know Josh's is actually the masterpiece here. But anyways, guys, so thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Say goodbye to all of the viewers.
Bye.
Livie's Lovelies creative family. And don't forget, guys, wash your hands, wear your mask, check on your neighbor and your elderly. And be good to yourself. Bye now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.